The new version of the Toy Peddler offers more flexible options for setting your shipping costs than any other marketplace. In this video, we'll look at all the different options and how to set them up. First, I'm going to show how to set shipping costs on individual items, like we're used to doing on most selling platforms. You can easily do this on the listing form when you put an item up for sale. After filling out the item information and your asking price, you'll see the shipping section. We'll skip over the shipping groups drop-down menu for now and just click Add another shipping zone. A shipping zone is a region of the world that you are willing to ship to. I'll select United States, then enter the flat price I'll charge for shipping to that location. We'll say $10. It's nice to be able to offer buyers a shipping discount if they buy more than one item, so I can set a lower price that will apply if this item is part of a larger purchase from my shop. Let's say $5. Notice that there's also a checkbox here that says Buyers to request shipping. If you want to calculate an exact shipping price for each order, you can check that box instead of entering a flat rate, and that lets buyers submit a request for shipping costs before they confirm their order. You can add as many shipping zones as you want. Just click Add another shipping zone again, set a location, and enter your prices. If you sell a lot of items that are similar in size and weight, you can save a lot of time by setting up shipping groups. A shipping group is a set of shipping zones and prices that you can quickly apply to an item when you list it for sale. To set up shipping groups, first go to the Selling menu at the top of the page, then click Dashboard. On the Selling dashboard, find the Shipping Groups and Zone Caps section and click Groups. When you go to the Shipping Groups page for the first time, you'll see that you have a default group called Shipping on Request Worldwide. If you use that group on a listing, buyers from anywhere in the world will be able to request shipping costs. You can create your own custom shipping group by clicking the Add New Shipping Group button. Here, simply enter a name for your new shipping group, select a shipping zone, then enter the individual item cost, and optionally, the cost to ship as an additional item. You can add multiple zones to the group and set different costs for each zone. You can also mix and match flat costs and buyer to request for different zones within a single shipping group. Click Save and the new shipping group will be created. The next time you list an item for sale, instead of entering shipping zones and costs manually, you'll be able to choose your shipping group from the Select from My Default Shipping Groups menu, and it will populate the listing form with the zones and costs you entered when you set up the shipping group. If you want to apply a shipping group to an existing listing, click the Selling menu, click Items for Sale, and find the listing you want to edit. Click the Actions button next to your listing, click Edit Sale, then scroll down to the Shipping section. Just select your shipping group from the drop-down menu, and the existing shipping zones will be replaced with the zones in your shipping group. You can make changes to the zones on this individual listing even after you've applied a shipping group. Changes made here will apply only to the specific listing you're editing, not to the shipping group itself. If you do want to apply these changes to other listings, check the Save as New Default Shipping Group box, enter a name, then click Save. Most of us probably have dozens or hundreds of listings, so luckily there's an easy way to apply a shipping group to many listings at once. First, open the Selling menu, then click Items for Sale. You can use the filters on the right to see only specific items, for example, only Hot Wheels mainline cars, or items that don't have a shipping group assigned. You can mix and match filters to narrow down your search even more. Scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar and click the blue Filter button when you're ready to apply your filters. Once you have your filters set to show the items you want to add to your new shipping group, click this slider at the top of the table to select all listings on the page. If there are any listings that you don't want to add to the shipping group, you can click their individual sliders to deselect them. When you've selected all the listings that you want to change, scroll back to the top and click Batch Actions, then Change Shipping Groups. Select a shipping group from the drop-down menu, then click OK. You should see a green banner that says Collectibles were added to your shipping group successfully. While you can edit shipping costs on individual listings that have had shipping groups applied, it's much faster to edit a group than apply the changes all at once to all the listings using that group. To edit a shipping group, first go to the Selling menu at the top of the page, then click Dashboard, Then click Groups in the Shipping Groups and Zone Caps section. There's an Edit button next to the name of each shipping group that looks like a small blue pencil. There's also a red trash can icon that you can click if you want to delete a group. We want to edit, not delete this group, so I'll click the Edit button. The Edit page looks and works just like the shipping group creation page. You can rename the group, change, add, or remove zones, change prices, and switch from flat rates to buyer request. I'm just going to change the All Europe zone to buyer request. Click Save when you're done making changes, or click Back to exit without saving. You should see a green banner at the top confirming that you successfully changed the shipping group. This banner also tells us that if we want to apply our changes to listings using that group, we need to click the Apply button. This is important. The updated costs in the shipping group will be added to new listings you create, but existing listings are not changed until you click Apply. Let's take a quick look at this listing that uses the shipping group we just changed. Even after refreshing the page, it still shows the old flat rate for Europe. So let's go back and hit that Apply button. It will ask for confirmation that you really want to change the shipping costs on all items for sale in this group. Click OK to get the process started. It might take a couple minutes for the page to reload after clicking OK, so don't refresh or leave the page until you see another green banner saying that the system is applying the changes. Note that the banner also says you'll get an email when it finishes. The system has to go through and update your listings one by one, so if you have a lot of listings using the shipping group, it might take a while to complete. Once you get that confirmation email, you'll know that all of your listings have been updated. Let's check that listing we looked at a minute ago. I'll refresh again, and there we go. It's changed to Request Shipping Costs for Europe, just like the change we made to the shipping group. A shipping zone cap is an amount you can set as the maximum price you charge for shipping to a particular zone, no matter how many items in the order. Setting shipping zone caps is optional, but it can encourage customers to buy more items than they might otherwise, so they can save on shipping costs. To set up a shipping zone cap, go to your seller dashboard by clicking the Selling menu, then Dashboard. Find the Shipping Groups and Zone Caps section again, and this time click Zone Caps. Once the Shipping Zone Caps page loads, click the new Shipping Zone Cap button at the top right, select a zone, enter the amount you want to set the cap to, then click Create Shipping Zone Cap. Now, buyers from the zone I selected won't have to pay any more than $30 for shipping, no matter how many items they buy from me. If you would like to allow your buyers to collect their orders in person, you can provide that option at checkout. Setup is quick and easy. Navigate to your seller dashboard by going up to the Selling menu, then Dashboard. Click Account, then expand the Selling section. Tick the checkbox for Allow Collection in Person, and enter details such as your address, operating hours, parking arrangements, and any other relevant details to make it easy for your buyer to collect in person. Once that's all filled out, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. The information you entered there will now show on each of your listings, and the Collect in Person option will be available for buyers to select at checkout.